The Potato Partnership is a collaboration between industry partners. It includes James Foscott Farms, which is where we're based today. Also includes East Suffolk Produce, it's managed by James Rinch, and Matt Gregory from Greenwell Farms and independent agronomist Graham Tomlin. So Agri is supporting the partnership, which is effectively being put together to replace the old AHDB spot farm, and we've come together to investigate a range of agronomic challenges that we face within the potato industry, highlight some of those challenges and put in place a series of trials to start to unpick and find solutions for those key challenges that we face at the moment.
The Potato Partnership's been great in terms of the approach from Agri and the willingness from Agri to join forces, and the Potato Partnership has enabled us to get trials in the ground this season and get information and hopefully be able to disseminate that information to the wider potato growing sector.
Our focus at the moment is around PCN control, but we're also hosting trials on wireworm, on aphid and virus protection, looking for new herbicide solutions as we see threats coming with the potential loss of some key chemistry.
From a potato growing point of view, I suppose our focus has been looking at nutrition. I think nutrition's an area where we're still a long way from where we can be.
We have here on site with our partners at Cupgra nitrate sensors, which we've been involved in developing with the John Innes Centre in Norfolk, where we can look at the real-time availability of nitrate and potentially other nutrients as well. So hopefully we'll be able to offer a solution to growers where they can improve their nutrient use efficiency.